Have you ever wondered how to install Windscribe on Mac? Well, it's as easy as you might think. Here's how you do it. The first step is to register an account. Head on over to windscribe.com and hit the sign up button all the way up here. Here you can input your desired username and password, or alternatively, we can hit this button here to auto-generate one. These are silly. You guys are silly. If you decide to auto-generate a password, it'll be instantly copied to your clipboard so you can paste it somewhere safe afterwards. Registering with an email is actually optional. However, if you add and confirm your own email address, you'll get 10 free gigabytes of VPN bandwidth a month, as opposed to the 2 gigabytes you get without one. Yeah, I'll take some free bandwidth, why not? Once we're all set up with an account, we can head to the Downloads page here and click the Mac option to download the app. After it's downloaded, open the installer, and click Open here to give it permission to install, and hit that Install button. Well, let's just give it a second here. Hit the Login button, and bam, the Windscribe login screen. Enter your credentials in the login boxes, and hit the arrow here, and we're in. To enable your freshly installed Windscribe VPN, hit the Locations drop-down menu here, and the list of available countries will expand to show you your options. From there, we can select a specific location, and Windscribe will automatically connect you to whichever location you just picked. You'll know you're connected when the app itself turns blue, and you see the word On in the top left corner here. And if for whatever reason you want to disable or re-enable Windscribe, just hit that great big power button. But remember, it's not the size of the button that matters, it's how you use it. And that's it! Now you're one whole step closer to safely browsing online. My name's Gary, and this has been my Scribe Talk.